program that Masawin Khabisim Hanahi, the 15th of Amsterdam 2021, organized by the Small Zone Club. Opening ceremony. Dimitri Sobino Simhaye, Sergei Puitic, H.S. Benjamin Mate, State Spokesperson, BJP Manipur, Functional President, Tutong Sedumdin, Finance Secretary, HTC Moret. Guest of honor, to Thong Pao Baite, Chief of Engine Mono. Among Kito, Jing Lai Win, Amozana, the Salay Pite, Bonsavin, and Ding Te. Ang department piho ang taw-taw te. Pak ang panpay ngauding utin iti tawang sukar tupana vai hombing teni kabilang abing ahile lanu toinu ahin kay mabin ahile tampa sa sangkidonin patong sa iman ding wa program ko hi kakuhos nun simhanahin nile pante.
Opening ceremony 11 October 2021. Compare Mr. Sahang Sinsit and Mr. Yu, arrival of fame 12:40 p.m. Arrival of VVIP 10 p.m. Special number
yes, invite Paul Ho, Patom Cha, Nipihati, Nadil Monzo, Indindo Mani, Ahin do him, Amaspena, Puchil guest, to H.S. Benjamin Mate, State Spokesperson, BJP Manipur. Amahi, for the benefit.
Call special number Miss Priscilla.
Letting go of every single dream. I lay it
Kipawamin langay ta mga Priscilla ako ni ngay tawin tuhin patio bon sa tando. Nine nipi diwin pumangin ho keep advisor is Mozo Club amarko tawin hi.
Patio ipat tedi la champagne ngal piano pati hinga ci patu chom sarne ute taw ute. Wa dong hin jing kapau pati nedung set nget multe o hi akidangin. Dari sit pakai nasim nasunga nang ma dim le ni sim na cha te ho kale nasunga hin. Dari sit ta sami mil ro la hin ta.
Thank you, Pumanglin Hokip Advisor SMYC, for your opening prayer. Now we will be having welcome address and presentation by Mr. Hegin Guite, SMYC Captain.
Kipawamin patinin dan napai pivin tukum asam ngatan dina bang sukol ismoyo bang fuaum diklop in program itu ni dekha me yang kibum novin tu apart den didan sangya amun dedang sangya patinin ikulut thengna jivin mas pene patin chu thangwa na pihutin alai memento sin thana hindi ye the small joy club memento hardy thanks Sri H choreography in bolding solam pa hoi ho agi got sai wo hi tai le mohon choreography phat chun kila ta lo pan.
your amazing dance. Now we will be having a grand speech by our guest. So I request our Honorable Chief Guest to take his time, and it will be followed by respected Councillor President.
Tuni som ngawei tanna sawang gorsit S Morzor Youth Club le S Morzor for Village Authority Poson an gonna Hitinu ko awi lamang thai dinga pha ei biwa ama sapeni pa pathin ithamwa wina he
Bate spokesperson Manipur BJP, the guest of honor Pu Thong Pao Bai Te Chief of NG Monom, Hau Sau Pa Ho, Club Akichim Ding Ahung Kal Sung Ho na Bon Ta Bet Ka Ngai Lut Lau Kai Jimin, twins guest of honor Pu Thong Pao Bai Te Chief of NG Monom, Aman Phat Kilo Ne Phante. Ama Saperin Phat Pha Dam Nai Piu Pao Pathin Thang Wan Man Lang, Sule Tunya Chief Guest Sai Pan Piu, who heads Benjamin Mate, State Spokesperson BJP Manipur, Sule Councillor President, who Hong Sai Hung Dim, Finance Secretary HTC More, Sule Zalangai Lurum Ta, S Mozo. Sitting in Mr. Zamplet Hokip, President S Mozo Youth Club, Michael Tarvini. Aman ne sai ting ai le dedication prayer Pastor Ngamje Thangin Phanahin ki lupe ding hitai.
Kipamin tuni niku tarik sampai Oktober niku dia ho pathin dam nai pi wa asom na wi chana chawang sakar thia mo thei nga pathin dam na phat pi ni pati thang bai sandang
Somnanga Vei Channa Esmoyor Club in Chabang Sakar Ahin Bol Hi Tuni Nisim Tarik Som Lakhat October Kum Sang Nilet Somi Lakhat Ningthau Kaniku In Pakai Thachapa Pastor Ngam Thang Keiman Pa Pathin Chapa Pathin Lagau Thiang Pathin Mina Thando Na Kanei Ta Ni Pathin Nga Tau Na Ni Gote Ngai lun na sang pina ei ngai lu ba ka ho layu hingjing ka pathino nalung sin na kidang ta mai na chate na umpi na ho kamu zalun nang ma ka thangwa we na he ngai lun na dim sa ring jing ka pathin na phale kum ne ha chi dung zui za nang yen na chate ni mapuyu ba to kum sang ni le somi la khat jang hi itia hin ko ka hin mandiu ham ti dong kham na wa noi alo lai jin jong pa kai na chate Ito zo si Tony Chom Kanaba.
Tingam Zitang Akunin, Amasang Akipa to Saving to him, inspection and kick off in a to him, 250 Chawang Sakura, men volleyball, men footballer, he teams from the women volleyball, he teams from the DHV. Inspection and kicking off on ding is soon to the opening match Kichim ding. Sibong Youth Club A team ho to Moloi area Youth Football Club ho chu ground an ki goal te le uchan phante